Once again, the power of analysis and the power of magical levels have been proven. As I shared earlier in the day today, gold is good to remain short below 1832. Precisely, it dropped from 1832 levels. Similarly, I asked you to stay long on Dow Jones and Nasdaq 100. See the power of levels. 11,840 did not I tell you in the morning? 11,840 levels precisely it achieved 1140, 11,840, and similarly Dow Jones traded well above 3,900 at around close to 3,950 levels. Now, what is going to happen today with the US session? We will try to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to watch till the end, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Let's start the day with gold first, and yes, we will look with the help of candlestick charts and indicators, and in the end of every analysis I will give you the trading levels. Now look at the hourly charts first. On the hourly charts, it is trying to give you a breakout, it is trying to give you a drop, and possibly it may be a good sharp drop. If it trades below 1824, go short, rather I say if it drops below 1820, go short there, and then you can expect 1815, 1808 and 1800 levels. In fact, it can give you sharp breakout. See what it is trying to do. It is achieved a high, slope trading with a drop there. Candle is trying to form a shape. It may come back again to 1822 and 1820 levels, breaking below which you can expect a sharper drop. Look at the oscillator trading bearish but trying to converge and cross over for a bearish bullish move. Directional movement is bearish. It is divergent. MACD is trying to converge and cross over for a sell entry, and RSI is sloping downwards here. Similarly, if you look at the stochastic is looking downwards, indicating little more bearishness, because and also we can see similarly the red candles reflecting the same. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts too, similarly it is reflected here that lower highs are done and it is trying to trade with a drop. There is a support here at 1822 levels, and then below that we may see 1820, which is a good support. So I think the Bollinger Bands also narrowing in here at 18 levels. So be watchful till here. See, there are supports at 1820, 18 to 18 levels, and below that you can expect a good fall till towards 1815, 1812, 1808 and 1800. It can drop till there. There is a possibility just that it can try to go well below 1800 levels, but be cautious. This is the last trading day for the week. Oscillator, they are trying to converge. Direction movement trying to give you a bearish crossover. The MACD is trying to converge here for a bullish entry, but be watchful. RSI trading flat and stochastic looking downwards. Now if you look at the 3-hour chart, similarly you can find lower highs here trying to give you a drop there. The support there at 1821 is strong, and then 1818 and 1820 and 1818 levels. Be watchful of these two levels. We have seen very little movement throughout this day, and yes, any breakout below 1818 will be a very good indicator to go short. So go short below 1818, very clear. Oscillator trading negative. Directional movement is bullish still. MACD is trading in bearish zone. RSI trading downwards. Stochastic is looking upwards on the 3-hour charts, still indicative of the bullish move. Now look at the 4-hour charts. What it is trying to do, see there is a resistance there, and yes, you can go long at 1828 again. Beyond 1828 again you can expect that it may try to hit 1830-32 zone, and till 1835 it has got stronger resistances. Once it trades beyond 1835, there is going to be a sharp bullish move, but right now it appears it is trying to achieve the bottom. See this candles, multiple candles trying to get support here at 1820 zone. Any breakout below this zone is going to be a sharper breakout, and it will try to drop hard below these levels. The oscillator, they are trading bearish. The directional movement is bullish, still trying to convert. The MACD is also trading bearish. RSI trading flat, and stochastic is oversold. On the 4-hour chart, remember, stochastic is oversold, hence a bounce back can be expected later in the day today. Now look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts, it is trying to give you a breakout. See previous candles, we have seen higher highs. The yesterday's candle, see precisely it has got resistance at 1840 plus levels, and now trying to trade with a top. If it drops below 1820 and specifically 1818, one can expect a sharper red candle. Then you can expect 1808, 1805, and in fact 1800 levels can be expected. So I'll be looking forward to a drop. If it trades below 1818, go short there, and you can expect a sharper drop. Oscillator, they are trading bearish. The directional movement is bearish. The MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI flat. Stochastic looking downwards. Considering this, only long entry I will recommend you is about 1828 levels. Beyond 1828, you can again go long for 1832, 1835, and then beyond that you can expect 1840 and 42 levels. If it breaks past 1842, then 1850 is going to be the target. Till the time it trades below 1828, I will expect it to hit 1818 as the first target, and then it will try to go back till towards 1815, 1812, 1808, and then 1800 and 1805. So on the downside, the sky is open. It can drop sharply. If it continues to trade below 1818, we may see a sharper drop. So be watchful of that. Go short below 1818 only. And yes, till the time it is between 1818 and 1828, be cautious. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. Tech 100 on the hourly chart has got a resistance at 11,840. I told you in the morning that it is going to get the resistance. Also look at this higher lows. Now this time it is trying to break out. Possibly we may see a little drop from here. The target is going to be somewhere here at around 11,730 zone, and then below that we may see a good drop till towards 11,680. Be watchful of these two levels, 11,730, 11,700 and 11,620. It can try to get some support there and bounce back again. Oscillator there trading, it has seen the highs there, now trying to give the red side or the red candles of the hourly charts on the oscillator. Their directional movement is bullish. MACD is trying to converge crossover for a sell entry on the hourly chart. RSI trading flat and stochastic trading flat. If you look at the 2-hour charts, similarly on the 2-hour charts, you will find that, see, there was a resistance at 11,840. Precisely with that as resistance, it is trying to drop. We may see a good drop from here, and we can expect that it may try to come back till towards 11,700, which is good support. So 11,730, 11,700, 11,680. Be watchful of these 50 points. This may be a good support, and if it breaks below this, you can expect 11,650 and 600 to give it a stronger support. See, it has seen the highs there on the 2-hour chart. Probably it may start the conversion from here. If you look at the directional movement is bullish, the MACD is trying to converge from here. If you look at the RSI, this is trading flat, and if you look at the stochastic, this is overbought, now looking downward. So we may be looking forward to a little drop here. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour chart, see previous two candles, lower highs. Also look at this 3 candles, lower highs, higher lows. Now it is trying to give a breakout. Probably once it trades below 11,780, you can remain short for 11,730, 11,680, 11,600 levels. The next support level is going to be somewhere here at 11,600. See, this is going to be, see, 11,680 first support, and 11,600 is going to be the next support level. Be watchful of that. It can try to drop till there. It has seen the highs here, must try to converge from here. It means we can see we can expect a few red candles. Directional movement is bearish here or bullish here. And if you look at the MACD, it is trying to converge from here. The divergence is very minimal. RSI looking downwards. Stochastic is overbought and looking downwards here. If you look at the 4-hour chart, similarly on the 4-hour chart, you can find here that lower highs are done, and the support there at 11,760 levels is going to be there, 780 levels is going to be there. So I'll recommend you to go short somewhere here at 11,780, expect 11,730, and then below that you can expect 11,680, 600 levels. 600 is going to be a good support. So I'll be watchful of that. If you look at the oscillator, it has seen the highs trying to give you red candles. Be watchful. It can drop from here. The directional movement is bullish. Still it may try to converge. The MACD is trading green. It may start to converge. RSI trading flat. Stochastic is overbought here, and probably we may see a little conversion from here. If you look at the daily charts, see on the daily charts, interestingly, what it is trying to do, it is trying to trade in this C. Now let me show you something. The highs of this channel are here at around 11,900 levels. So there is a possibility that it can try to hit 11,900 first, and very strong resistance, because this is also the 20 period moving average. So somewhere here at around 11,900, 920 levels is the high. And yes, if you see it trading below 11,650, you can expect it to drop more. How far this can go? It can come back till towards 11,500 levels. So a broader range, yes, can be expected, 11,500 to 11,900 levels. But I'll be looking forward to a near term drop, and then yes, 11,650 and 600 is the level. If it trades below 11,650, you can remain short for 11,600, and then below that you can expect more drop. Wait a bit, I'll give you the levels. Just oscillator there trying to trade green. The directional movement is bearish. The MACD has just crossed over and it is still bullish here. RSI looking upwards. The stochastic is overbought. Considering this, only long entry I will recommend is above 11,840. Beyond 11,840, I will be looking forward to 11,900, 930 zone. So yes, you can take a long entry at around 11,840, and till the time it trades below 11,840, my next target is going to be on the downside till towards 11,730 is the first target. Then below 11,730 you can expect it to hit 11,680, 11,600 levels. There is going to be a stronger support at 11,650 to 600 zone. If it tries to trade above these levels, you can stay long, else below 11,600 it will directly drop till towards 11,500. A broader trading zone between 11,500 to 11,900, 930 can be expected. It is going to swing a bit in between these levels. So trade with caution, trade with a strict stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss, and do not forget to always shift your stop loss at cost. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. See, US30 on the early charts has seen high. This is a kind of reversal candle which is trying to appear. Once it trades below 3850, 840 zone, you can go short for 3800, and then it may try to come back till towards 3700, 600 levels. There is a support there on the downside. If you look at the oscillator, it has seen the highs, trying to narrow, trying to converge, trying to give you a bearish move, direction movement, trying to converge. The MACD is trying to converge here, possibly trying to go into a sell mode. RSI looking flat, and stochastic is also trying to converge and crossover for a sell entry. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, similarly it has seen the high. See the previous two candles, and yes, if you see it trading below 3850, you can go short then for 3800, which is a good support. If 3800 is taken, it may fall till towards 3600 and 3700 levels. There is a support lies in between this zone, and any drop below 3600 is going to be considered as a bearish move. Directional move is trying to converge. MACD is trying to converge. RSI looking downwards. Stochastic is overbought, hence we can expect a drop. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, similarly it has seen the higher highs and it is trying to reverse a bit. I'll be watchful of 3800 levels on the 3-hour chart. So go short at 3850, then you can expect 3800. Below 3800 there is going to be a good drop which may try to bring it till towards 3600, 3700 zone. This is going to be important. Any break below 3600 will try to bring it till towards this zone, 20 period moving average at around 3500 levels. Oscillator there has seen high, may try to converge from here. MACD direction movement is still bullish. MACD is trying to converge. RSI trading flat. Stochastic is overbought on the 3-hour charts, and hence we can expect a little drop. Now look at the 4-hour chart. Similarly, if you look at the candles there, the candle size is diminishing. It is trying to swing in between this level, in between 31,000. So the highs there at 31,000 can be breached. Probably it can try to breach it once before it looks over to any further drop. On the downside, it can see in between 30,800 and 31,000 we have to be cautious there. And yes, below 30,800 there is going to be a sharper drop. I'll be looking forward to it, but it may try to achieve 31,000 also. On the plus side, at those levels you can try to initiate a short entry. The oscillator they are trading at the peak. The directional movement is bullish. MACD is trying to converge. RSI looking at the top, and stochastic is overbought here. Similarly, if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts you'll find lower highs, higher lows. This is a breakout indicating that it is going to remain bullish, and probably 31,000 levels should be breached today. If it continues to trade beyond 31,000, we can expect it to hit 31,150, 31,300 levels. But look at this. Looking at the 3-hour and 4-hour charts, it appears that see this is overbought. Dow Jones is overbought. Only thing is, if the bullishness sustains, we may see a rise. Else there is a possibility that it can try to swing a bit between 31,000 to 30,600 to 30,500 levels. There is going to be a good support at 30,500 level, which it may try to achieve before it looks over to. In fact, if it breaks below 30,500, the lower end of this channel is at around 30,400 levels. So a larger trading zone between 31,000 to 30,400 levels can be expected. A high can be achieved, and it may try to reverse from there. Today is also the weekly expiry. Be watchful of that. Then take your positions accordingly. Right now I think it may try to drop. The first support is there at around 3,800, and the next support, if it drops below 3,800, then you can expect 3,700, 3,600, 3,500, 400. It can drop till there, and a bounce back can also be expected. On the upside, the first resistance at 31,000 and then 31,050, 31,150 levels can be expected. If it trades beyond 30,950, you can go long for 31,050 and 31,150 levels. So there you can get 100 points at least, and 100 more than that also you can expect, and from there you can expect it to drop again till towards 30,800, then a bounce back is expected. So in sum, in between 30,800 to 30,950 we have to be cautious. Once it drops below 30,800 you can expect a good drop where it can try to hit 30,700, 600, 500, 400 levels, and a bounce back can be expected from there. So trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with the see, because this is going to be a little swingful day, probably you have to shift the stop loss to cost every time, or you have to put a trailing stop loss so that you can always close your order in profit. Take your trades accordingly, trade accordingly, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.